Hey, what's up guys? Today, by the way, I am Ben, so sorry, getting excited, and I'm just still getting used to filming myself, to talking to myself, hopefully guys to talk to you soon for now, but this is a brand new video channel, so I mean YouTube channel. I do apologize, just don't get used to it, to talk with the camera, and still trying to do. Asus laptop, Core i5 Gen 3, k53e model. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 screws. Right, 15 screws, and do palm rest. And the keyboard comes apart as well. So this time, today, we're taking a battery out first. Unfortunately, I bought this laptop without bottom case, so it is what it is now. So undo battery, so we need to press release this little button, hold it, this releases automatically himself to push battery from middle, and voila, it comes out. So I know you don't need to, probably you don't need to show you this, how it done, but voila, well, this is the video. So I need to find my screwdriver magnetizer. It makes my screwdriver magnetized. Just unfortunately cannot find it. Never mind. I'll find it one day when I do need it. So Phillips screwdriver. Let's unscrew something like one of the screw, which is the one that come out. So nicely coming out. So it's a bit extra one screw. I just found it when I take a battery out. So if somebody will bugs you, then you cannot undo the palm rest. So you will know what bugs you. So anyway, so I found one screw with carrying spinning in one space, though it basically is broken inside, so it won't cause us problem, but still it means plastic inside is broken. So what we don't need, so hopefully eventually I will buy extra camera, and will hang on top of it. What do you think, guys? Should I hide it under the camera there, and you can easily see what I'm doing? So as I said, this is just, everything is just fresh, brand new. I never was about making videos, and this I'm filming from a second phone, my business phone I have, and I don't have any of those external cameras. So undo hard drive, push it back, and it comes out easily and nicely. So he should have 4 screws, but unfortunately I see only one. So undo.
Today's video sponsor, ITSec Service.shop. Upgrade your tech game with your unlimited destination for cutting-edge electronics. For sleek gadgets to high-performance gear, we got everything you need to stay ahead in the digital world. Shop now and experience innovation like never before.
For this physical hard drive, yes, I do sell them because I don't need them, but SSDs are saving them. So released. So I tested before I done a video on, so it works, and Anyway, if you buy from eBay, you get 30 days money back guarantee, which you can return this item back. So RAM releases on those two clips, push and pull. Simples. So all we need to get it, these screws still in there. So I need to double make sure, you know, it's like screws get released. So we'll don't need that as well. We can clip it, gently lift it, and undo the Wi-Fi card as well, because it will it will not let us take it apart. So there you go. Screws just come out. 4 screws as I expected. So, which is good. Don't mix the screws because I forgot put the screws in a bag and put with the rest of them. So I need my plastics. I got quite a few plastics bought from Timo. I'm not offering to buy from them, but because they don't support me, so I just saying where I bought from. So eBay as well supply them. So there is little clips in there. You can't barely see it. So you just get in there. Maybe just use this end because other end is a bit chewed up. So I used too much. So I push the clip inside, and it's too soft. So I need something a little bit more positive. So okay, I think I'm gonna use a pliers, which is not really a good idea. Please don't use that at home.